Hey everyone, Laura here with Rags to Rugs, and I am so excited to share with you that we have introduced Batik Fabrics to our website fabric options. This is really exciting. Now, you're probably already familiar with our Rug on a Roll fabric rolls. These are print fabrics bias cut. You might be familiar with our Rug on a Roll broadcloth bias cut solids. Now you have a third option, our Batik Fabrics, and this is absolutely my personal favorite. If you've never used Batik Fabrics in your rug making or your basket making, weaving or crocheting or whatever, you are in for a treat because these fabrics are sensational. Why are they my personal favorites? Well, first of all, they are hand dyed through, and what that means to you is that these fabrics are the same on the front and the back, so you don't have to contend with that white backside of your fabric. In addition to that, they are dyed with the most amazing color palettes. As you can see, this is just a few of the many fabrics that we have now in stock. Brilliant, beautiful colors in these fabrics that when you mix and match them, combine them together, make a most stunning rug. You're going to love them. Third is something that a lot of people don't know about batiks is that those pesky threads that you deal with a lot of your fabrics, you don't have to deal with the batiks. You're rarely going to see any threads on these fabrics, straight cut or bias. That's the reason why on our bias cut rolls, we bias cut them as opposed to straight to keep those threads at bay. With the batiks, you don't have to worry about it so much. Now, we will be selling the batik fabrics in 1 pound bags. Each 1 pound bag is just a smidgen over 5 yards of fabric. Inside those bags will be 2-inch wide strips. So you're going to get a pound or 5+ yards of 2-inch wide fabric strips in each of the bags. Those 2-inch strips are all going to be 2.5 to 3 yards long, so generous lengths in those strips as well. So that's a real plus. Now, to keep our price point down, like I said, we're bagging these as opposed to bundling them or rolling them. But also, again, we are straight cutting these versus bias cut. But with the Batik fabrics, that's not really an issue because there's very little threading on these. We reached out to a customer base to do a little marketing and decide if indeed this was a venture that we wanted to take on. And everybody was 100%. But 2 questions that they asked was, would they be able to purchase just piece goods in 1 yard increments of this same fabric in the case that they didn't want the 2-inch wide, they might like 1.5 inch wide or 2.5 inch wide and want to cut their own, and absolutely that is an option on our website. Another thing that people asked was, would they be able to have the batik mix and match option, and absolutely that is an option on our website as well. You will be able to pick and choose up to 8 different fabrics of all the fabrics that we have on our website and put together your own unique bundle of batik fabrics for your next rug project. So all you have to do is peruse through the website. All the fabrics will be noted with a number, batik 1 up through whatever, and there'll be a comments field. So directly below batik mix and match, all you have to say is, hey Laura, I want batik 1, 3, 7, 9, 12 in my 1 pound bundle. And I can assure you I'll do my best to make sure that you have approximate equal amounts of each one of those fabrics that you selected in your 1 pound bag. Now to note, if you've been in a fabric store recently, you've experienced what I have, and the fabric pricing has increased dramatically. It's unbelievable to me since COVID. And you might find too that the batiks in your fabric store are being slowly eliminated. We recognize that, so we reached out to our suppliers, and again, our suppliers no longer will be carrying the batiks. So we positioned ourselves to buy all the batiks that we could get our hands on. Our warehouse is full. We've got lots of different ones. But the price point of these is really high. So by doing that, we got an exceptional price that we're going to pass on to you. But keep in mind that given the fact that our suppliers no longer are going to be carrying these beautiful batiks, when it's gone, it's gone. So order it now before I no longer can fill your orders. I expect that they're going to go really fast. So again, 1 pound bags, 5+ yards per bag, 2-inch wide fabric strips. You can mix and match to your heart's content. Each strip is going to be 2.5 to 3 yards long. Very, very generous packaging and strip length. So if you have any questions, take advantage of the comments field at the bottom of this video, and I will do my best to answer all of your questions. Make sure that while you're here on our YouTube channel that you subscribe and that you hit that little bell so that we can stay in touch. But I will do the same, and watch for these on the website, and I can't wait for you to experience them and enjoy them as much as I have. So in the meantime, make it a great day.